turn signals on the front. Mount each one on the sides right here. And you can kind of see, if you're at an angle, you can see the opposite side flasher as well as this side flasher. The rear was a little difficult because no matter where I wanted to mount it straight on the back, you can see that the bumper and roll bar is in the way. So what I did, I put them on top here and here, and you can see no problem from the back. Here's a control box or relay. This I shortened quite a bit. Didn't need all that cable. The attachments, negative, and the positive goes to the key on and off power. That way your light for the horn is not on all the time, only when you start the razor or when the key is in the on position. Okay, initially, this switch for my LED light bar was over here. So obviously I moved that one over to here. So I could put my turn signal here. And I used to have just a horn button down here, and I replaced that with the switch because I got the turn signal and horn switch. This switch and this switch, when it comes in the package, they're wired very close together because they're supposed to be right next to each other. So I had to cut the wire loom, separate them, use some butt connectors or heat shrink so I can get a separation to put them this far apart. It wasn't that big of a deal, but still a little more than I wanted to do. Okay, when you're running your wires, each blinker has either long or short connections. So whichever side you're going to run your wires on, put the longer connected blinker on the opposite side. So this connection actually goes all the way to over here, and this connection just drops down this far. So then I got these guys, and I just kind of ran them up along here, wrapped all the excess right here. And the rear light, the light with the longer connection, is on the right side because I'm running all the wires on the left. So this has a shorter connection. So from here, I just kind of tucked them up here. I ran a zip ties through the clips, so if I ever have to unclip something, I'll cut the zip ties. Ran it here, along here. You can see it down in here and where it's all bundled and zip tied together. Then from there, I came up through my mud plate protector, and all the excess is just coiled up and bundled here, and all runs up here, right to the connections, right here. Pretty simple.